What's happening, boys? How we all doing today? I hope we are all doing fine. We are back. And we are getting ready to trade New York session. So, market opens in about 25 minutes, and I'll show you guys what's going on. So, we actually we took a fucking equal high trade today, and we have two more equal highs. We have equal highs on US30, and we have equal highs on Nasdaq as well. So equal highs right here, and then US30 equal highs right here. So massive draw on liquidity. So I will be waiting for price to get close if it decides to go up, and we will be snagging those equal highs if we get very nice, if we can inverse this, get a pullback into it, blah blah, something, I don't know, break the level. We'll find any confluence to actually get in this trade to take out these highs. So who knows? Maybe this could be a double trading session, which would be pretty cool. But we'll just see what happens, boys. We will see what happens. But these are the levels that I've marked out. Of course, I've marked this level instead of marking something like this. Like this is a really good level right here, right? But I don't want to mark this because this is the level. It's not only a level, but it's the equal highs. So I mark this level below it because if we're trading up, I do want to take out these equal highs at the top, right? So we have this kind of mid-level, which is alright. It's not like very, very close. So I could potentially be looking to take a trade off this mid-level. But the only thing that was probably holding me back is just if I'm going to take a trade off mid-level and it's the real move, I might as well take it on this and then actually sweep that out as well. And there's this big fat fair value gap here. So we'll see what happens. We also have this big fat fair value gap here that we've kind of filling. We nearly fill all of it, so that's looking good as well. But bottom level's not that great, to be honest. We might have to move it up, but obviously that's not a fucking bottom level. So this bottom level over here, this is good. I like this bottom level because we can go like, I don't know, something like this, right? Something where this is sitting all on it, it's all touching it pretty nicely, and then we have some chop over here, and then the past as well, so we know it's a strong level. But this level right here, I mean, shit. I guess that's the level. We could draw a box around it, have it like that, this high, that low, and that low, and then if we drag it to the side, we can also see that it is still reacting. So that would be a pretty good level, but it just seems that it wants to go down, so that's not a bad thing at all. But I'm not sure if it's so much a good thing. But we are going to close this fair value gap. So another thing is, boys, when you come into the market, don't just look at the 5 minute, because look at the 15 minute, because sometimes we have fair value gaps and liquidity points that we don't really see on the 5 minute time frame. So make sure to keep the eyes open. Of course, you can look at the 1 minute as well for fair value gaps and all that stuff as well, even though they're not that prominent because it's a very low time frame. But yeah, just to, keep the mind awake. And also getting ready to, mark out your take profit levels is another big thing like this. So maybe I want to do halfway of this fair value gap right here if I'm going for a long sell, or maybe I just want to do the start of the fair value gap. So that's what I can mark out, you know what I mean? So okay, this is just completely dropping, so that's funny as, but you know what I mean? So yeah, so that's looking alright. I am gonna mark, hold on, let's drop down to the 1 minute real quick. Okay, so this is the start of the 1 minute fair value gap, basically. So I'm going to mark that. Yeah, I'm going to mark that instead of marking the halfway. It's a little bit above. Same shit. It's just because I want a closer point. Cool, so that's looking good, in my opinion. Because if we push down, we can enter off something like that, target this or this, whatever's there. What's ES looking like? What time does ES even open? Oh, it opens on 1:30. Nice. Cool. Yeah, but that's fine. I'm happy with that. over here, obviously we have this liquidity point, and then we have another kind of liquidity point there as well. So that is good to keep an eye on for sure. Alright, I'm gonna have to keep drawing levels because we'll keep pushing down, but that's all good. Close all of this shit. I'll get my broker up. Get my broker ready. Oh, whoops. Wrong one. Bang. Bang. Alright. So we're gonna do NQ on the left. Okay, hold on. I just want to double check this is right. Actually, let's do this one. Yeah, this one on the right, and NQ on the left. Yeah. Alright, that's minis and that's minis. Okay, that's the main thing I need to double check. That's good. That's good. Okay, cool. Yeah. I want to add like a little thing that like shows how much I'm up. You know what I mean? That would be pretty cool. How do I do that? Maybe I should add another display. Wait, I think I actually know how to do that. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? So if I add a sort like this, yes, and then I can just crop it. Hold on, this is gonna be on. I just had a fat idea, boys. I just had a. Oh, nice. Oh, but I want them both. Okay, fuck it. It's all good. I'll just have this a little bit in here so we can see. And what I'm gonna do, well, it should be good if I can zoom it in. Hold on. So, if I pull this way, and that's that. Okay, I need to pull it this way. Oh, yes, I can zoom it in. Oh, that's great. I can zoom it hell out in. Alright, what I'm gonna do, take this up here, and then, oh yeah, I just need to go to that little box. Perfect, and this is gonna show you how much I'm up. Yo, this is sick. Nice. Now you guys can actually see real time how much I'm up and how much I'm down. Perfect. Boom. Yo, this is gonna be mean. I just thought of it. I don't know why the fuck I didn't think about it before. Put it. Maybe I'll put it like under here. Okay, we'll do something like that. My face cam can sit like here, and this can sit. I don't want this to be in the way. I guess we can have it like this. Because if I'm doing double monitor, bang. If I'm doing double monitor, and I kind of want to have it like, you know, like this. Yeah. I need to take down the tone of this. It's too dark. I need it lighter here. Something more like that is nice. There we go. Maybe even more of like a maybe like that, but like that's nice. I like that. Alright, so let's mark that there. Let's mark that there so we can acknowledge that they're actually there. We don't forget. That fair value gap's been filled. Cool. Cool. Yeah, started that one. Alright. I reckon we got it, boys. Oh, just one thing I need to do. I need to move this to the side a little bit. Bang. Oh yeah, gotcha. Perfect. Perfect, man. Perfect. Now, of course, I'm going to give NASDAQ more space because it's our primary pair. But I will definitely keep US30 in the picture. Who knows, we could end up taking something on US30 as well. I need to make sure these are correct. Yep. And sell. Let's go 450. No, that is wrong. Oh no, that is right. Holy shit, I just realized. Yo, I just realized. Wait. Oh shit, whoops. Wait. Yeah, no, that's right. Yeah, so that's 102, 1,020, 10,200. Yeah, 120, 102,000. Yeah, nice. Because I just had my, my other account before. Nice. That's good. Right. Cool. Let's go have a geezer. See if the brother Vito is live yet. I don't want to be completely covering the screen though with my face cam. Maybe it is best if I have it over here this side. Yeah, I think that's the best option, to be honest. Yeah, I think that's better. I hope that's more clear. Cool. Cool. Alright, let's jump into Vito is live. Let's have a geese, boys.
Eat show both.
Let's see what it marks. It's gonna be interesting.
Here, let me actually just simply see through this one. NASDAQ first. NASDAQ is, of course, going to be difficult. She say Uzi can't pay my rent. There's Nas. She
Let's see. So let's jump onto this. Let's grab.
Do you have news today? Nothing.
Yeah, no news today.
Cool.
Hold up. That's fucking annoying.
Alright. Are we good? What do you mean for the green lines? That's where my take profit is most likely going to be. It's either based off like a fair value gap or liquidity, or mainly just those two.
So his level. Oh, he put his level more up. Nah, that does make sense though.
If USA rips above that level and pushes, when's entry second push? How the fuck am I supposed to know when it's gonna make a second push before the market is fucking? You think I can see the future?
Yes, G.
Like, dude, guys, come on. When are we gonna enter Vito? I don't fucking know, or else I would have already done it.
Let's put it up here.
God, dude. We might be...
Oh yeah, because of this.
Permaban, not gonna lie. What's a valid retracement in points? There is... You want the wick to be like half of the candle. What's up, Vito? What's good, Vince? What do you think?
We got like...
Equal highs in US 30. I love those equal highs. Yes. Yeah,
yeah.
I agree with most of this. Yeah, I'm looking at the same thing, Dance. Bug Monta. Oh my goodness gracious. That's gotta...
I'm just gonna adjust these boys.
Vito, what are the lines in your chart? Oh my god. Japan right now, the first day single I mean, I don't think you really need to do that. You probably lost yesterday because the retrace wasn't good, that type of thing. Is this USDJPY? Bro, going back to my roots, I used to trade that. Hey, there you go, highs. No. The go highs indicator, I literally have it linked in the Discord for you. I'm gonna move my stop loss today. Yeah, you fucking... You deserve to lose. Smile if you crack to me. Okay. It's legal highs. Or just legal highs. What equal lows? What the fuck? Gang, there's no equal lows. Crack TGR. Right there. Gang. Alright, I'm gonna lose my shit, bro. I would do, Ergo, I would do Asian session on gold. So Sigma. That's insane, bro. What the fuck? Oh, let's go, RZB. Now I can clip farm you. I love it. Yes! Yes! Good job, RZ. Dude, you've been in here for so long. When did you join? How do I see when you joined? Wow, you've been in here since last year. I love that. How much monthly for rent? I only pay like 2.5k a month in rent. From scamming Vito. Yeah, kill yourself, buddy. You definitely pay like $20 a month, dude. Or some bullshit like $10 a month. Or maybe you're in for free, dude. Who even knows? That's crazy. I would give it a couple months, Oliver. Yeah. Dude, that's why I'm not in the penthouse anymore. I would be in the penthouse right now, but I got a crazy good deal. Hey, watch this, guys.
What the fuck?
Can you pray for us? Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Amen, brother.
Bro was in the pen for like a week. I had it for a month, and it was just so booked. Anybody? Yes, because I split with there. Am I ever moving out? Yeah, for sure. A lot of my boys like have houses and shit, so I'm gonna be the next thing I do. Alright, what time is it? Alright. We gotta go. Take a picture of the levels if you haven't already. Take a picture of the levels. Good luck, everyone. Please don't lose. I want to see you guys win as much as I want to see myself win. Alright, so good luck, boys. I'll see you guys.
I bet. Let's do it. Let's do it, boys. We got 5 minutes till market open. Let's see what we get. So basically, what we are looking at, basically, hold on. I do want to check one more thing. So I want to check where his take profits are, because that's a big thing, right? Okay, so he's doing the halfway, but I don't know if I want to do halfway. I'm just going to do the start. I mean, just if I have to do halfway, then I'll do halfway, of course. So if he's going to push to the top level, he's going to go for the equal highs on US30. The US30 is actually looking really good, not going to lie. And NASDAQ, there or there. Or of course, if it goes up, we can do like this fair value gap. Or we can just hold it all the way for fucking big G's to there. But yeah, that makes sense. Right. 4 more minutes till market open, boys. Already pushing down this fucking level pre-market. So hopefully we can get a little bit of a push back up. That'll be nice. Yeah. But yeah, so basically, if we come up on US30, we're going to be targeting these highs. If we come up on NASDAQ, hold on. Well, we've got so many levels on NAS. Maybe this is a level though, bro. But we've got the fair value gaps to worry about anyways, so if we go for a long, we can just take profit there or something. Hey, US30, you need to calm down, bro. Calm your farm, man. Let's see where we close. Either way, from both at the moment, we're going to need a big push away first. Alright, both of them are pushing down pre-market. They both be tripping, man. Alright. What the fuck? They both just going, bro. They're gonna go for this liquidity. Alright, let's mark a new level out. We're gonna mark a couple new levels, boys. Alright. So, bottom level. That looks alright. But not really. Off that. This can probably be our bottom level here. There's also another level around here. Yeah, we could actually have a bottom level. 8 seconds till market open. Yeah, we could have another bottom level here. It's not the best. Actually, no, let's just do it like this. Yeah. Alright, got it. Getting a push up already. That's what we need to see. A little bit of a retrace. Very nice retrace. Very nice retrace. Potentially go for this buy setup. Very nice retrace. Very nice retrace. Let's see if we can get a nice push. Alright, now we're sweeping this liquidity, so let's see how it reacts. A nice pushes up from US30. Let's see, we could definitely sweep these highs. The equal highs. For sure, for sure. Very big push down on Nasdaq. Oh, US30 is because it's going. We could low-key just enter on US30, bro. Let's make sure that's right. Yeah. Yo, low-key. Low-key. I'm in on US30 for longs, boys. Oh, it's already making the move. Oh. Let's see, a little bit more. Take profits here, boys. A little bit more. A little bit more of a push. Very small trade. Oh, I'm actually down heaps. Holy shit. Wait, how much should I risk in this? They should be right. Bro, I hate the risk factors in this. So close to the take profit. Let's go. A little bit more of a push. A little bit more of a push. Let's see if we can get another push back up. Very nice. A little bit more. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's go. Bruh. It's edging the take profit right now. No way it reverses. No way it reverses right now. No way. Bro, it's so close. Let's see what it wants to do. I think I entered too late. That's why I'm in so much drawdown. Oh shit, I entered far too late. Let's see. I think stop loss will have to be here, boys. If it pushes down to there. We're very, very, very close to this take profit. Nice, let's see it flip the candle. Let's see it flip the candle. Nice, let's just get a big push up. That's the one. A little bit more. Take profit smash, boys. Take profit smashed. And I know I did not make much money off that at all because I had a very bad fill. We will check that in a second. But take profit smash. It was just holding very nice. Equal highs were right there. So a little trade right there. Since that trade was pretty small, we can potentially look for another trade. Let's see what Nasdaq wants to do. If we can get a second push up here. But Yeah. Nah, that entry was not it. I definitely fucked that entry up. It's all good though. Just because I fucked that entry up, let's do another trade. Let's see if we get the set up, of course. If we can get a nice push up here, like a push, boys. When we look for a push, we look for a push, not like a fucking little push. We look for it has to be like a big push. Now I'm gonna write down on this because I'm always over risking on accident. I'm gonna write 400. Nice. We get another push. See that push wasn't enough for me. I want to see a bigger push. Then we can just put the stop loss at the level. We want to see a bigger push. Nah. It's holding there, but nah. It's not enough for us. I could have taken this US30 way earlier. I completely fucked that US30 trade up. I'm not gonna lie. But unfortunately, since I pushed down, I'm kind of uncertain on where to put this other level. Like, we do have a level here off of this and this. Like, if we go back in time, we can see that's reacting there. You know what I mean? There. It's reacting here. Guess we could do that as a level. If it pushes past here, I guess we could try. We have this little fair value gap, but it's only small, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know what the fuck. I don't know what the fuck this is doing. But yeah, we swept that. Unfortunately, I don't know what the fuck. I entered way too late. I don't think it was FOMOing it. I just think I had to fucking search up how much I wanted to risk. And that's why I was entering a little bit later. But yeah, it's pushing up as you guys can see. Which I'm not surprised at all, to be honest. Wonder if we're actually going to see a push from Nasdaq or not. Are we going to actually get a nice push or not? Yo, Nasdaq might just be doing absolutely nothing today, boys. I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't know what it wants to do. Oh, I wonder if John's awake. How much should I make on that trade? Only probably like $70 or some shit. Pretty sure. Oh, US30 is fucking shooting. Oh, US30's going to the moon. Holy shit. Don't know what's going on there. Bro, what is going on with these entries? Yo, I got minus $1 on this trade. I swear I took out at $77. I swear I did. But it says I made like this much in points. But bro, what? Okay, that was probably my fault. But like, damn, gee, I swear it said I was up money when I took out the trade. I'm gonna watch this back, bro. I'm gonna send this to the fucking prop firm, bro. I hate trading on prop firms, bro. When did I enter? Hold on. When am I trading that one? Hold on. There we go. Let me see here. Okay, I said I got out 22, which is probably right. Probably pushed down when I took profit. And it says I entered at 19. Oh shit, apparently I entered all the way up there. That's fucking crazy. I entered way too late. That was my fault. That was my fault. That was definitely my fault. Yeah, no doubt. Nasdaq's not fucking doing anything, bro. That's surprising as. Massive wick out of this kind of level that we have going on. It's not really a fucking level, is it? I kind of just want to see it push up. That would be so much better. If Nasdaq just pushes up, bro, that would be very nice. Look at this thing. Should have held it to the moon. The reason why I entered this is because, like, I don't know, it's such an interesting trade. It's because I saw it hold, and it's like US30, you kind of know when it's just going to go up. So it hold and then give a fat push. Maybe we're gonna get a push down. Maybe a big push down would be good. Take profit could be all the way down there. They might actually get it. But can we get another push? Very interesting movement, bro. And I don't know how much I trust this little level that we have going on here. It's pretty fucking sketchy level. Maybe I should be like... see if we can get a nice push. If we get a push there, that can be like that. Then we can target a little bit. Yeah, we can target like that. Let's see. If we get a nice push. Only if we get a nice push. I have to like have that there. Expect it to be like that. That's alright push, but still just being wary because I want to be safe, because this level is just not it. I want to see a bigger push. See, this is why you be patient, boys. This is why you be patient. Don't force the trades. Let the trades come to you. Because if we do like this and we close above here, we probably finna go up. You feel me? I don't know what the fuck US 30's on. US 30's on some bullshit. So let's just close that out. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really liking this level all too much. I mean, we sort of have like a level here that I'm liking. This level is much better than this fucking chop. I actually probably will remove this. And we've already tapped this as well, so... Yeah, this level that I'm looking at is much better. Did we even get a retrace in this? I don't think we did. A small retrace. What's there, but that's... Oh, that's not bad of a retrace, but nah. I'm not gonna trade it. I want extra confirmation. I'm not gonna enter this, unfortunately. This feels a bit too sloppy. Like, you know when a trade's like, you want to enter, but it just feels like a bit yuck. Like, I want to see a bigger retrace than this, and that level was just a bit strange. I mean, I could have entered off of this and had that level there, and that could have worked, and obviously it's going down the hit take profit, which this would be the take profit, but I'd rather have a closer trade with a level that I actually enjoy, and then see that pullback that I actually know, you know, it's a worthy pullback. And since there is liquidity, so we could do a quick stop to break even, and I'm sure there's like, I don't know, some sort of 1 minute fair value gap. Oh, I got a little bit of liquidity down here that we could target. Possibly. That could be at the level. Yeah, we're getting a nice pullback. That's not bad of a pullback. It's not too bad. Nice. That's okay. And it pulled back to there as well. That's a nice pullback. That's the type of pullback that I want to see. Even more would be nice. More of a pullback, the better. Being very patient today because the markets feel a bit like, you know, staticky. Like, this is a shooting like Hearty is. We could have, I don't know, that probably would have been a break even if we had that level up there and the push down. Oh no, we probably would have found a trade. Because like if we entered off of that, this could be in this chop here and find like this low or something. That could have worked. But again, it is what it is, you know. If we're going to push past here, we'll go down. I'll do quick stop to break even when it hits here. And then, yeah, take profit can be somewhere like this. That I'll be fine with taking. Unless it wants to push back up. I ain't going to force anything. I'm only going to enter if I see actual momentum in the market. So, that's no worries. Yeah. I do want to go on my YouTube and watch that entry again though. Let's see what that entry was like. Okay, here, view channel. Oh, we're getting a nice push down. Can we get another push? Let me take this back. Let me replay this stream. Okay, a little bit more back than there. Yes, I was typing in my lot size. Did it give a second push? I think I missed it. Oh, it actually did give us a nice second push. Stop loss has to be up here more though. We could just target. There has to be another level. Yeah, we kind of have a level here. What do you reckon? A level like here. Do it like this. Do that like there. Oh, this has to be big enough. Otherwise, I'm not confident in the trade. Oh no, I'm not really feeling confident in this type of trade either. If I'm being honest. I feel like I'm just fucking drawing on a whiteboard right now. Or I could do something like this. This would be better. I know this is major liquidity here. But honestly, out of all of those, like, I don't want to have a tight as take stop loss, to be honest. This is the type of trade I want to be looking for. What is US30 doing? Reversing. US30 is reversing. Okay. Yeah, bros. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this anymore. Might just have to walk away. I think I missed the actual moves. Might just walk away today. And we could potentially get these equal levels over here later on. And then we can just chuck that in there. I might just walk away from this, boys. Look, I'm gonna give it another maybe like 15 minutes. But I'm probably gonna walk away today. Unless it gives me like some nice fucking movement. Okay, let's give me some nice fucking movement now. So there's two potential setups I'm looking at, or three if it wants to come down here, but I don't really want to take this, to be honest. So we have this setup with this level, right? That when we opened right here, we came down, we came all the way up, and then we pushed all the way back down. If we can get a second push pass here, stop loss here, take profit at the second fair value gap, that could be an entry. US 30, Vito has a level here, so I chucked a level in here as well. Off I guess that and that. He probably just knows US 30 goes really high, so if we want to catch a reversal, this is what we're going to catch it off. Touch a level, big pullback, and then a second push. And yeah, basically that's it. I'm going to give it around 15 more minutes. If it doesn't do anything, then it doesn't do anything. It's all good. Because you guys have to understand, part of being profitable is also walking away like look, I can admit to myself that US 30 trade, I could have got in when I was holding and gave a push. It was a bit too quick. I got in. It was basically a break-even trade because I didn't make anything. It was just $1 loss. It was a break-even, you know what I mean? So those type of things, when that happens and you miss a big move and there's no momentum, don't force a trade. Because there's many trades that I was just literally watching that I could have forced. I could have had this level and won this trade over here, but I just wanted to be a bit more conservative, you know what I mean? And then looking at this and then seeing my small stop losses, knowing that they're going to get hit, because I know when I have a tiny stop loss, I'm like, oh, bro, it looks like it's going to get hit, because it will get hit, you know what I mean? It's like tiny, so yeah. Oh, fat push on US 30, wow. Into the fair value gap, so that's good. Let's see a retrace. Let's see a fatty retrace. This definitely could be the play. US 30 reversal. Let's see a big retrace. Hopefully. This can be like in the chop. That's not enough of a retrace, bro. I want it to retrace at least up to this little wick that it has going on here. If it can retrace to at least up to here, then I'll be way more happy. It's gonna go just before and then come down, is it? I want a bit more of a retrace, bro. I'm not sitting on that. I'm not chasing these trades, bro. I want you to prove to me that you're a good setup. I don't want to try to prove to you that I want to take that because I think it's a good setup. Doesn't matter what I think. It only matters if you can prove to me that you're a good setup. You gonna retrace a little bit more, buddy? Okay, that was a fat push. That was a fat push. Oh, I forgot to see if John's up.
Get on the market, nigga. I gotta get out of bed real quick, cause otherwise I'll probably cake it. But yo.
Very nice retrace. Okay, very good retrace. Unless the retrace trade was like, this was like, nah. Let's see. Let's pull up the P now, cause I definitely missed the move, bro. I would say so. This might push down though, which is cool. I'm chill with that. But what we're gonna do has the Cuzzy posted on his P now. Let's have a gaze. Let's see the win. Yeah, he took a US30 long. Yeah, gate trade in my opinion. That's true. I just entered too late. I entered too late, unfortunately. Yo, I'm kind of leaning like towards this is gonna be a non-trading day, boys. I'm gonna wait 9 more minutes. But it might have counted as a win. It depends, because if I entered like early and it says I entered up there, then I'm gonna count it as a win because it was a win. But I'm gonna count it as like a win, but like right on the side, like yo, it was a win. I didn't make nothing though because I kind of entered a little bit too late. So I guess it was a win. I don't know. Actually, while we have the time, I'll check that now. Yeah, count. Let me check this joint out. Alright. Yeah, I entered too late. I'm pretty sure. Had a pullback. Oh, I did have the pullback. I didn't even realize I had a pullback. I should have just had my take profit higher, bro. I shouldn't have just had it here. I should have had this level here and took profit at the level. Because we're in New York session. It's not just going to sweep this and turn around. That was the mistake. That was definitely the mistake. Yeah, I was paranoid that I was going to over risk, so I took too long to fucking enter. Yo, that was my mistake. It gave a very nice retrace. And then I was about to enter, and then as soon as I entered, it pushed up. Yo, I entered. Hold on, I'll show y'all when I entered. Yeah, I entered right there, bro. I'm gonna be honest. I entered right there, and then I took out. Let's see when I took out. And then I started pushing up. Oh yeah, I was too slow to click out. I could have made like $100. Oh no, I took out at $73. I did take out at $73. So and it made me minus. So I don't know. Very interesting. Cause it says I exited right here. Wait, where's the no? Sorry, right here. Exited a little bit below. Alright. Let's see. Gonna get a push. I'm gonna get rid of all these fucking lines. Force start. Feel like we are gonna get a trade here. It looks like a very good setup. See, this is a good setup. You know, forcing all this shit like the other one, that's not good setup. But this looks like an actual decent fucking setup, you know? Yeah. Come on, you're just gonna fuck around. I mean, going sideways is a good thing. You know what I mean? If it hits a level and it goes sideways, it means it's not really gonna go up. It's probably gonna go down a little bit. Fill with your value gaps, I guess. And then carry on to whatever the fuck it wants to do. Yeah, but I'm not like annoyed if I just walk away. Walking away would be all good, and I'll just try to. I mean, these are probably gonna hit while I'm sleeping, I would say, so, which is the unfortunate thing. I'll just have an alarm on for every hour, just in case it gets close. I'll go check my phone every hour. I'll be like, yo, oh, Nasdaq's getting a little bit of momentum. Yeah, I'm probably not going to enter the shorts in as. Potentially into the long though. I would love to long into here, but there's so many fair value gaps that I just want to take it into that second one and then get the fuck out. Wow, they got momentum, but not in direction I want to take a trade in, so it's all good. Fuck, my nose is itchy. Alright, I'm gonna give it probably like 5 more minutes. It's already 2 o'clock, boys, so I'm only really wanting to get this reversal unless I mean, we can trade like probably the first 45 minutes, which is, I don't know, another 8 minutes away, but this is good momentum right here. I'm liking this. I'm liking US30 much more though. I am liking US30 much more. I feel like it's just gonna randomly push hard as down on US30. It's just gonna sit there, it's sitting there, right? Sitting there, and then boom, it's just gonna fucking go. Cause that's why I feel like I've seen it before. Look, it's gonna do it. It's gonna push hard and fast. Fuck. Yo, we actually gonna get a trade or not? gonna catch a reversal or nah?
Shit right there.
Oh fuck! I just placed an order. What? Where? Wait, did I just place a fucking order or not?
Fuck that guy, bro.
Wait.
Alright, let's see. Ice.
No. I didn't. Thank God. Fuck.
In my cup.
Yo, it said placed order, bro. I was
Look
like,
at
what the fuck do you
late
mean
night
placed
drive
order?
tonight. I ain't gotta be good.
Oh, we're getting another push on.
Uh-huh.
Oh shit.
Lean out to get.
Can we get another decent push? Loki could take Naz,
Yup.
but it's a bit
Yes,
slow.
sir. Oh, I'm cooking. I'm cooking.
I don't know. It's not really giving him
Are
much.
we stupid? Why are we going this way? Oh my gosh, bro.
I don't know about Naz,
Oh
boys.
my gosh, you didn't make it. You bought the battle pass just to not even get past the first round. Brutal stuff. I'm a grand, I'm a full low.
This level's too close. I might as well just take one off of this level. Wait for, coming to here, retrace, and then a second push. That would be better.
No.
Not feeling confident in this.
That might be detrimental, dude. That's really bad.
And I'd much rather wait for this reversal.
Okay, wait, I'm coming back. Come back.
Just to be safe. Just to be safe, boys. Just to be safe.
Okay. Okay. Going for low. So this one right here, guys. Oh, I almost didn't make it, dude. That was stupid of it. It's alright. Alright, let's go. Come on, please be a good map. Please be a good map. Yo, does anyone here play Warzone, bro? I've been playing Warzone lately. I need some sweats. I'm on you.
Can you get a retrace? I wanted to touch this few value get first and then give a retrace.
Yo, fuck
So.
this map, by the way. This map sucks. It's like a guaranteed loss for me.
Wonder if we're just gonna shoot up and take these highs. That's why I kind of want to stay
Dude, I
up.
can't pass these fucking hands. Oh my god. Dude, I don't understand. How are you supposed to fucking time it? I guess like that, but like, holy sh.
Yo, low-key boys, I'm hopping off. We missed a trade. This isn't probably gonna reverse anytime soon. This isn't probably gonna get here anytime soon. It's 2 in the morning, boys. I should probably go. We ended off with a profit, not profit trade. You know what I mean? So, and I mean it's just 2:18 in the morning. So I do want to kind of wait for this trade, but I just don't know how probable it is since it's like a little bit out of session now. It's 40 minutes out of session. So. I think I just want to walk away. Unless we inverse this, tap this, come down, give a reaction candle. You know what I mean? And then we could long it. We'll stay up a little bit more. I'll just have a longer sleep and tomorrow.
So what do you...
Nice push up. Yeah, but if we're gonna inverse this Fibonacci gap, come down and react off of it, that could be a fucking fat entry. And reversals, I don't care if it's out of session, bro. If it's like fucking an hour out of session, that's fine. If it's giving strong momentum. Very nice push up. Yo, this shit might just fucking rock up. So you could, again, I could have won another trade right here, but I didn't take it because I wanted to be more safe. But bro, that's just how I've been trading recently. Like, when I take these type of trades and I'm not confident in it and I lose, that's when I kind of beat myself up. You feel me? Oh, we're about to inverse all of this shit. Nice. So we inverse that. Let's get a rejection out of it and a push up, and I'm in that shit. I'm in that shit long. I'm in that shit long. And that can be underneath this fair value gap, and if it pushes up too high, then it can be halfway of this. But either way, take profit is there. I want it to come back in and then have a retrace. If it comes back in here, bro, and then pushes up, that would be beautiful. And we do kind of have a mid-level here, bro. I ain't even tripping. Look. We do got a level there. So we broke above the level. This is like the trade that I took today. We broke above a level. We inversed a fair value gap. But this is actually a BPR, just like today. So we broke we broke above. Oh my god. We broke above a level. And then we inversed a BPR. And then we came down and reacted off of it. Let me jump down to the 1 minute real quick. See what we got going on over here. Got this little fair value gap. Bang. Switch this. Actually, just want to save this. And change this color so I can see it. As much as I want to jump into this trade, like right now, because I don't want to miss it, I'm not going to. I'll log a little 1 minute fair value gap through there. Because we have this fair value gap that we've got to react off of anyways. If we come down here and have a reaction candle, that would be beautiful. Let's tap it and come back up. I mean, we broke above the level. We're fucking inversed this fair value gap. Low key, we could just long it right now. We could just long that shit right now. I ain't even lying. We broke structure. We broke structure. We inverse this fair value gap. Maybe we should just long this shit right now. I'm finna long it, boys. I'm finna long it. We might as fucking well. I mean, I don't see why not. I'm in for the longs, boys. I'm in for the longs. This might be a little bit of an early play, but I'm just trying to use my intuition. Hopefully I'm using the correct intuition. And hopefully it doesn't risk me like fucking $20,000. Oh shit. Damn. My shit's all fucked up. My shit's all fucked up. Hold up. Alright, let's go. Stop loss is underneath this BPR because we inversed this. So let's have a gaze. We broke the level and we inversed this, and then we had a nice push. So let's see. And I need to make sure I have this up just in case I got to take out. And boys, once you get in a trade, just pretend like that money's already gone. So you're not so attached to it when if you get stopped out, you know what I mean? Just be like, okay, I entered on it, that money's gone out of my account. So now I'm visualizing, like, I'm not visualizing trying to manifest it. I'm like, okay, $550 out of my account. And that's what I'm down for the day. It's all good. I'll come back tomorrow with a fresh mind. You know what I mean? You can't be thinking like, yo, hold on. I do want to clear this shit up. You can't be thinking like other things, bro. This does not work. You can't be thinking like, oh no, I can't lose this, bro, because I'm up this much. You know, if I lose this, and like it's gonna be fucked, bro. Nah. None of that mindset bullshit. That's for weak-minded people, bro. That's for weak-minded people. But I do want to set this up. Have this here. I'm gonna move this back over. There we go. That's dope as. That's dope as. Now you guys can see how much I'm losing. Fuck yeah. Alright, let's see, boys. Nice reaction out of it. This type of reaction I really like. And plus, if we go down to the 1 minute time frame, we see that push above. So that's nice. I kind of entered a little bit more aggressively just because I know how much we've been fucking pushing up heaps. And we inverse this massive BPR right here. So, I mean, I probably could be a little bit more patient and wait for another push up here after it reacts out of this fair value gap right here. But it's all good. I think we have enough momentum to come up. And if we don't and I lose and I was completely wrong and I shouldn't be more patient, then I'll write it down. I'll write it down like, yo, check, look. I know it inversed the PPR and broke the level, but maybe you should have waited for that extra confirmation. Maybe because, like, there's a fair value gap here, but only, you know, time will tell taking these type of trades. You know what I mean? But either way, on the 1 minute time frame, like, coming down, having a rejection out of this, that's like extra confirmation, you know what I mean? So, and I think I am risking more on this one just because I wanted to, I'll do like, I think I actually entered there, just because I wanted to, like, you know, you can, it's a very strong grab on liquidity and we're in New York sessions, so I think I just risked, not too much more. Actually, no, I don't think I risked more on this one at all. Nah, I didn't. I didn't. It's exactly 450, I'm pretty sure. Oh, 400. So I only risked 400 on this one. But that's all good. It's a 1-to-1. Little cheeky trade. Because, hey, we weren't going to trade, but this came to us. So let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. Because I think, you know, the market showing us that is pretty valid. And sometimes it comes up and then you get a little bit of confirmation, but it doesn't give that all that extra confirmation. I mean, the confirmations in itself that it's really close to this type of liquidity, you know what I mean? So since it's already close to this liquidity, that's a good confluence that it's going to come up and smash it either way. So, yo. See if we can get a nice push, bro. Very, very nice reactions of this. So I would have entered right now if I wanted to wait for that extra confirmation. So basically we've got into the trade kind of early and we've grabbed that extra confirmation. But if I wanted to get into the trade now, I would get into the trade here and then stop loss would be here and then whatever. Yeah, something like that. Let's see, boys. We got all these fair value gaps that we're kind of trading in, so we could potentially see a little bit of drawdown, but hey, that's all good. A little bit of drawdown never hurt.
So what do you do?
And again, wouldn't be surprised if we come down into here, you know, because we are, at the end of the day, we are reacting out of this. The reason why I took this, I wouldn't take this trade if this little level that we have going on wasn't here and it didn't get broken. If this level didn't get broken, then I would not have taken the trade. So that's the reason. And plus, this is the BPR, not just a fair value gap, so that's just the extra confirmation. But yeah, it could come down, tap into here a little bit, just like a little wick, or maybe just like above that, and then come back up. So yeah, let's see. Let's see, man. Made a little 1 minute equal highs. Second equal high trade we took today. That's buzzy as. And there was 2 equal high options. Nice pushes up. I like that momentum. Also, boys, got the vlog coming out. This is gonna be in the vlog. I got some gym recording. That's gonna be. Oh, there we go. Beep 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 beep. I want to see it close above this fair value gap. That'll be a nice confirmation. Nice push up. Make this a little bit more big. Not that big. Maybe that's too big.
The jab is actually being in the position to be able to twist your body and have that momentum.
Alright, so now let's see what it wants to do, because it's just closed this fair value gap right now. Right, it's closed the completely closed this fair value gap. So let's see how it reacts to that. We do have another one above it. Fuck, there's fair value gaps everywhere. Let's see how price wants to react. I do think it's just gonna go boom. Might as well sweep and then come down, but hey, it might not. We might get stopped. Let's see. If this was a normal trade, by the way, boys, I would have taken out already because these fucking candles. But since it's equal highs, it's all good if it takes longer. It's gonna be interesting if this candle can come up and close up here before the fucking 1 minute is over. That would be blessed. That would be on. That's how you know the universe is watching. Now the universe is watching either way.
Practicing when it comes to throwing the jab is actually being in the position to be able to twist your body and have that momentum. Everybody says, you know, you need the footwork.
Another position was if it comes up here, gives a nice push, you could enter off that. If it closes above, maybe something like that, and then have a stop loss underneath that. That actually wouldn't be bad to take out early and then do that play. It seems like it wants to come up anyway. Nice push. That's what we want to see. Nice push. Wonder if it's gonna do anything soon. What we're gonna do, once it gets to here, we're gonna do like stop to underneath this. Once it pushes up here, stop loss to underneath this fair value gap that we have. Just so it's minus a little bit loss. Because if it's gonna come really close, they come all the way down. You know what I mean? What's it look like on the 15-minute? Ah, yeah. Inverse that. That's under there. That's all good. It is a 15-minute equal high. It would make sense. What is US 30 doing? Still fuck all. Damn, bro, I'm tired as fuck. Nearly 3 in the morning. Let's play some Slitherio while we wait. Why not? Come here, you can't. Yeah, get fucked. What's up, G? You don't want the smoke, brother. I'm gonna make my name Amin Nasdaq Longs. My name is Nasdaq 5-minute equal highs right now. Ooh. Give me that, give me that. Oh, give me that munch. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, give me all that munch. Give me all that munch. Oh, fuck. Got fucked up. Got fucked up, man. 20 seconds on the candle, let's go. Nice push. Push past the highest point, so that's good. Very nice push. Yo, if we can get a win while playing Slitherio, that would be fucking on, not gonna lie. Oh, whoops. Okay, boys. Stop loss. I'm moving the stop loss to like right here. Moving the stop loss to there, but I think we got it because it's very close. Once it gets this close, it normally just comes out and smashes it. Not gonna lie. What it should do. Let's see. No, that's a choppy ass time frame. So hopefully it doesn't just come close and reverse. Hopefully it comes close and actually smashes it. But either way, we're gonna lose fuck all on this trade, even if it comes down, because I've moved the stop loss. gonna be like here, and we inversed this right here. Maybe the stop loss should be here, a little bit down. No, if it's gonna come down here, it's probably gonna come down here, so I might as well just do it. Stop loss like this. Or maybe we should do it to break even. Nah. Let's see. Let's see. It was originally like this. Yeah, I'll have it here. Give it the room. Give it the room. It'll probably still push up, and if it doesn't, that's alright. We're on a little winning streak at the moment, a little 4-day winning streak, so no bother. Let's see if we can push back up. Still 3 minutes on the candle. And if it can come down, come all the way up, 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 it's like, you might as well sweep up the highs, bro. Just accumulating them orders. Don't, like, when it's doing that, don't trust those little up and down movements. Like, don't let it manipulate your mind, bro, because normally that's just to make people get in and get out and just make them have fear and then make them have greed. Put their emotions everywhere just so they can get stopped out. So let's see, all this is done, it's inversed that fair value gap, right? It's inversed it right here. Now it's going back into the inverse fair value gap, and then it's going to sweep it. That's what it's doing. And it's filled this fair value gap as well, you know what I mean? So, looking pretty good. And boys, another tip for the psychology, when you're in a trade, and then it doesn't matter if you win or lose, you have to ask yourself, you really have to ask yourself, like, yo, did I listen to my rules? Did I play by my rules? If that's a yes, it doesn't matter if you win or lose, you know? And if that's a no, it doesn't matter if you win or lose, because you've done it wrong. It doesn't matter if you win or lose, it matters if you've listened to your fucking rules. Have you listened to your rules? Did you have good psychology during the trade? You know, did you try to revenge trade? Did you overtrade? You know, all these little factors. All these little factors. Like, if I lose right now, I really don't care. Because I know being disciplined will get me wins in the future. So why would I care now? You know what I mean? I'm going to hover over the takeout button just in case, because it does look like that's a pretty big push down. I don't know, maybe it's just gone really close to this and then it's going to come down, but hopefully it still respects this inverse fair value gap. Yeah, it is still respecting it. We've still got 20 seconds. Boys, and don't ever enter something. If you're waiting for a close, don't enter even if there's like 20 seconds or 10 seconds left. Okay, that bitch can fucking move on the last second. I'm not even joking. That bitch will move on the last second. It's respecting it very nicely, which is good. Some tunes going. Can't wait for this to be done so I can go to bed. But I can wait. Patience is key. Patience is key, man. Oh, wanna hold it? Yeah. Big jump. Let's hold it. This way. Soft stop loss, boys. Soft. Oh, let's see what it wants to do. Let's see how it reacts here. Let's see how it reacts here. Is it gonna come back up? Is it gonna come back up? Let's see. What's the benefits of playing a soft stopless, boys? Tapped into that fair value gap. Good push up. Very nice push up. If it pushes back down, I'm out though. Definitely taking out. But hey, it could come back up. Let's see. What's that look like on the 1 minute? Because they just jumped. Yo. No, honestly, just jumped. But we have this little 1 minute fair value gap that I didn't even see. Came, respected it perfectly. Very nice. Of course, that's what I marked out before. Didn't even realize. I like this wick. I really like this wick. I hope this wick closes up here. Oh, we're gonna flip the candle even? Come on, flip the candle again. Oh, I love to see that. Nice. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna look on the 1 minute. That's ugly as fuck. Very nice closure on the 3 minute time frame. Respect to that. But if it comes back down, I'm definitely taking out. Because if it can go down and then up and then down, I don't want to be in that trade. So I think it'll just be like a $250 loss or something like that, which is fine. That's a small amount. But no, at the moment I'm very liking this. So it came down and it came back up and it's kind of holding here. So that's good. I do want it to flip more though. Come on, flip that candle. If it can flip, bro, that would be nice. Likes the tease, bro. Really likes the tease. Still 1 more minute. Let's see what it wants to do. This is what I mean, how a candle can change in a whole minute. Watch this. So see where the candle is right now. I'm going to mark it, right? I'm going to mark the candle right here, right? This is the candle right now, right? From open to close. Let's see. In 1 minute, what it can do. Watch this. It can change in a minute, bro. I'm telling you. Watch this. Watch this. 20 seconds even. And then first the BPR traded into it. Beautiful reaction out of it. Okay, I lied. In a minute it didn't do fucking shit. It closed in the exact same spot. My bad, boys. Clickbait. But yeah, if it definitely pushes down here, then I'm out. But let's see. It might just fucking go. That'd be nice. money's on such a roller coaster. It's better for the money to be on a roller coaster than your fucking emotions. Bro, come on, just go to my take profit already. Hurry up. Fucking taking ages. Hurry up. It's already fucking nearly 3 in the morning, mate. Oh, get fucked. Kill this massive cunt. That's what I like to see, baby. That's what I like to see. Oh, not those pushes down. That's not what I like to see. Oh, another cunt died. Sup, G? Alright, boys. I got a feeling I'm gonna get stopped out real quick. Not gonna lie. I got a feeling I'm gonna get stopped out real quick. I don't know how probable this is anymore. Let's just quit trading and play Slitherio live for a living, boys. That's the actual plan. That's how I want to get rich. Play Slitherio live. Bro, if we win this trade, I'm gonna be like happy as, because like we worked for this trade, bro. We straight up, like, I didn't take all the trades because I wanted to take you, baby. You feel me? It sitting there is not necessarily a bad thing. It's just pretty neutral. It's been a long 3 minutes. What do you want to be when you grow up, Jimmy? I want to be a professional gambler. Jimmy, you're a fucking idiot. Mama, I swear, I'm gonna make it. No, Jimmy, you're going out for fucking adoption. You really think you could be a professional gambler like your Uncle Johnny? Look how he ended up. Fucking idiot. Why'd you name me my same name as my uncle? Because you're both fucking retards. Holy fuck, it's getting to the time of the night, boys. That's not the good time of the night either. It's just the tired time of the night. It's like, fuck. I mean, every time of every time is good time because we're alive. You feel me? Get clapped. Wanna chicken dinner. Yo, this candle has not moved, gang. This candle has not moved. Look at this shit, bro. No fucking move. Give us some movement, Kurt. Give us a little bit of movement, brother. Give us the good movement, please. I said please. Oh, I'm actually a professional Slither.io player, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit, never mind. Nice push. Finally some momentum in the market. Nice. Nice push. My alarm's about to go off in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I'm liking the look of this. Surely we can just get a fat push up to there. And I need somebody like you. You only take a piss, boys. You reckon I could take a piss without getting my account blown from like the price is doing something crazy? Alright, I'm finna take a piss, boys. I'll be back in a second. This is gonna be risky, boys. I'll be back. I'm back. Alright, boys. The piss was successful. And I'm back. The piss was successful, boys. We haven't moved. Let's go. What to do, boys? What to do? Fuck. What to do, man? What to do? Like, fuck, it's so close to that fucking drawn liquidity. Like, look how close it got. Just go up. Like, what is this price action, bro? What is this, man? I think win or lose, the reward is just getting to sleep now. Bro, I've been watching this candle do the same shit. I gotta play some music that's finna keep me awake, bro. Like, fuck. Give me some. Give me some Starboy. Nice pushes up. I've seen that before. Oh, is this big cunt fucked? How did he not die? Oh, yeah, we've seen that before. Another doji. Oh, surely he's dead. Fucking, there we go. I was gonna say, if you don't fucking... Oh, that's died. Damn. Okay, now there's like fucking no momentum, bro. It's up, down, doesn't know where the fuck to go. Yo, let's just think about this, like... Okay, we just hit 3 o'clock. 1 hour just closed. Okay, that closed very strong. Surely we just push up a little bit, sweep this. You know what I mean? It would just make sense. You feel me? I've seen this, bro. I always see the candle go up and then down and then it comes up, bro. See that shit all the time. Let's see some movement, bro. Let's see some movement, please. Like changing the time frame is gonna fucking change the movement at all. Just looks like it's moving more, but it's not. Maybe it's actually pushing down this time. Let's see on the 5 minute. Oh, no, it's probably just another one of these. I don't know, could be. I still have faith in this fucking trade. I mean, I'll probably just hold it till it hits the stop or the fucking take profit, to be honest, but yeah. The 5 minute did close like that. Interesting. Oh, shut up. Bang. Oh. Oh fuck, I died. Let's see, bro. Are we gonna hit the stop loss? Are we gonna hit the stop here? If I do get stopped out, not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna make a rule like, if you enter for like a 5 minute equal trade, and then it takes years to get there, just take out a little bit of profit, you know what I mean? If it's like making like this type of movement, I'll implement that. That can be my rule. Because market experience, of course I'll have to test it again and again, because I can't just go off of one trade but I'll write it down and so I can remember it. Not here to teach me. Bro, at this point I'm gonna be up till the birds come out. I mean, I don't know, in trading, shouldn't I take out the trade if I just don't feel confident in the trade anymore? You know what I mean? I mean, look, this trade's doing nothing. Maybe I should just take out a small loss. That's kind of what I'm going at right now. You know what I mean? There's a little level going on, but yeah, I don't know. Let me just make a stop loss and a take profit. I don't even know how to do that on this. Fuck, who needs a tutorial? Come on. Yeah, I don't know, bro. It's actually pushing up. I do want to add a stop loss and a take profit though. Go here. I think I need to actually get the chart. Oops. Chart. Boom. Nasdaq. There we go. So Should be add stop loss surely. Let me see something real quick, boys. Oh, fat push down. We might just take out here manually anyways. Fuck, how do I ship this thing, bro? Let me try on mobile. On my phone. You bloody phone. Bro, I literally, it doesn't have an option for me to place my stop loss and my take profit. Don't know how to fucking... Go here. Bracket settings. Oh, so it is just this. This fucking it, a retard. Simple bracket. Stop loss is 19 ticks. Take profit is 20. Alright, I pressed place, but I have no clue if it placed or not. I don't think it did. Multi-bracket. Bro, hurry up. It's been doing nothing for so long. Did you study end up reversing? I swear to God, bro. It didn't. Damn. But this shit has been not moving at all. What does it normally do at 3 in the morning? Let's have a look. Should this bitch be moving? This bitch be moving at 3 in the morning. Shit, what's it? Fuck's it up to right now? Right, I want this candle to close like this. Actual momentum, that's good. That's good. Come on, surely hold strong. Come all the way up here, bro. Like, surely you'll sweep this liquidity before coming down. So all the way down here, sweep this. Now it's, made this. Surely it'll sweep this shit before going. This makes sense, bro. And that's an okay close. Bro, I put like the position size thingy on the fucking wealth charts chart, and if I press the fucking the little check mark, will it set it?
Yeah, bro, you got it. If you've got the position size tool on your wealth charts and you hit that little check mark, the tick's basically confirming and setting that position size for your order. So if you've adjusted your lot size or your contract size on the chart,
does it count like after I place a trade and then I place that?
yeah, it can get a bit tricky after the fact. Basically, if you've already got a trade open and then you adjust the position size tool and hit that check mark, it won't retroactively change the size of the trade that's already running.
Nah, but will it place a stop loss and a take profit?
Gotcha, bro. Yeah, if you set the stop loss and take profit through that position size tool and then confirm it, it should place those orders onto the trade that's currently running. So you can definitely add your SL and TP after the trade is already open.
I don't want to risk it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I totally get it, cuz when it's 3 in the morning and you're running on fumes, the last thing you want to do is accidentally muck something up and risk the trade.
Because
So,
if it's not actually NG and it goes down, my account will be blown, so I can't risk that.
Absolutely, I hear you loud and clear. If there's any doubt, it's better to play it safe than to wake up and find your account smoked. So if you want to be 100% sure those stop loss and take profit levels are locked in, you can just manually set them from the orders tab or on the...
Alright boys, this is where we're gonna get stopped out anyways. Because this bitch is pushing down now, she better close. So let's see it. I'm not gonna lie, I should have taken that profit when it came up here and it was up like $100. Should have just taken profit there. So yeah, I'm gonna add that rule. Win or lose this trade, I'm gonna add the rule like, yo, if it's actually doing like fuck all, like as you guys can see here, then just take out the trade, even if it's an equal high and low trade, you know what I mean? If it comes back up here, bro, I'm just taking out a little bit of profit. I'm not waiting. I'm not waiting for this. Bro, I just wanna fucking place a stop loss and a take profit. That's all I wanna do. Why isn't there like a little fucking thing that I can just click and like fucking add it, you know what I mean? Some bullshit like that. I'm taking out the trade, boys. Alright, boys. I think it's my time to go. I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Fortunately, we took an L today that we waited too long for. I think I just fucking too tired, bro. But it's all good. I'm gonna study this. I'm gonna quickly do a trade recap now. Like, what is it, bro? Like, fuck. I should have taken out ages ago. It's a lesson learned, boys. But it is what it is. Just a small one today. It's $420.